Hello everyone, and welcome to this new Joplin video. Today, we're looking at a feature that was originally a plugin and is now built directly into the latest version of Joplin. It allows you to write and display sheet music directly inside your notes using ABC notation. ABC notation is a text-based system for writing music, and it works seamlessly within Markdown. You'll find a link to the official ABC notation documentation in the description if you'd like to explore it in more detail. Let's create a music score together. First, I insert the Markdown code block that tells Joplin to interpret the content as ABC notation. Once this block is in place, everything written inside it will be rendered as sheet music. At the very top, I define the instrument and activate the tablature. In this example, I'm selecting the violin and enabling violin tablature. This means that, in addition to the standard musical staff, Joplin will display fingering guidance adapted to the violin just below the score. Now that the instrument is set, I can define the main parameters of the piece. I start by adding a reference number and a title. Then I specify the time signature, the default note length, the rhythm type, and finally the key. Some of these fields are optional, but they help structure the piece clearly. With the structure in place, I can now write the actual notes. Using ABC notation, I enter the musical sequence directly as text, including note values and ornaments. As you can see, the score is rendered instantly. The staff appears with the correct notation, and the violin tablature is displayed underneath, exactly as defined at the top. If I remove the tablature setting, the fingering line disappears and only the standard notation remains. I can also edit the title, change the key, or modify any parameter, and the score updates automatically. This makes Joplin much more than a traditional note-taking application. You can now store your musical ideas, organize your compositions, and keep all your sheet music alongside your other notes and projects. If you'd like to learn the full syntax of ABC notation, don't forget to check the documentation linked below. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you very soon for another one.